Feels like the whole world is doing like a ton of inner child work right now. I don't know if you all feel that or if it's just me. But you know, there was this Justin Bieber thing where he sang with himself as a preteen. And then Taylor Swift has just done this Toy Story song and released these clips of her dressed up as Jessie as like a 4-year-old. I feel this certain kind of grief when I think about, like, it almost feels like a person that I lost. And it's so crazy to me to think that most people just keep on moving through their whole life and never remember or disassociate from that version of them. Laura McCowan, she writes, "We are the luckiest." Like, people who have to quit drinking alcohol are the luckiest because they experience the before and after. And I feel like the same is true for people that have the courage to go on the self-discovery journey that is yoga. We are the luckiest because we know what it's like to be living, like, repressing or suppressing parts of who we are, hiding, living inauthentically, whatever that means for you. And then when we begin unraveling that, it's like this endless, endless maze. If we're brave enough and courageous enough to start to look inside.